Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm by the Evie Marie. I'm just going to walk along the boardwalk for a bit. My first thing to report though is they seem to have blocked off the little access point that I used to drive up here. I mean, they put a disabled spot in, which is always good to see, but they've also put a little bollard up with a padlock on it, so I'll no longer be able to drive through here on my films, which is not too much of a hardship because when I have the anamorphic lens on, I don't drive here anyway because of the dust, and the lens doesn't like dust. But it does mean that parking there is going to be a lot harder because it will fill up a lot more quickly. So what I had to do today, for instance, was go and park by Pachyammos beach, and I walked up and now filming my route back. Now I've got to be careful when I'm filming because I don't want to intrude on anyone's privacy as they sunbathe, so I'll be keeping a discreet distance, and if there are breaks in footage it's because I've had to pan round or something and I didn't want to show you someone in all their glory. But it's a lovely day. It was quite cloudy earlier on, but that seems to have all dissolved away. So now we can just enjoy the amazing Paphos countryside as that lady's filming herself. I don't mind filming her, pardon the expression. There's water sports, and you can see, I don't know if you can see on the film actually, but there's a chap out there on a paraglider already. That's something I always have to take into account when I'm flying the drones, because obviously you don't want one of them bumping into a paraglider. If you like our films, and what's not to like, I'll take you to all the nice places. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and share them far and wide. I'll go down here, I think. And click on any notification bell you see. Leave a comment too, because that helps the algorithm, especially if it's a nice one. And if you want to help us out financially, go to our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Life and chuck us a few coffees. They are gratefully received. There is also a merchandise shop, but I'll stick a link up for that in the description because I can't remember what it is at the moment. It's a new one. Zazzle.co actually. Zazzle.co.uk/shop/Paphos Life/collections. I think that's what it is. You can get all sorts of goodies there, featuring pictures, etc. that we've done on our Facebook. And publishing our daily Chimera and Calispera shots that go up on our Paphos Live page, which now has, I don't know exactly, but it's over 80,000 followers, so why don't you come and follow it too? Right, this is the start of Pachyammos 2 beach. I'm going to go in here a bit so I don't film the sunbathers at close range. But this is where my editing skills might have to come in handy. You've got Cypria Bay coming up for the hotel. And a note to hotel owners, you're more likely to get mentioned if I can see a sign with the name of your hotel on it. And what a nice sign it is too. It's a popular little beach down there. And the lifeguard for it is just up here. We'll pass them in a tick if you're wondering. All the beaches along here do have lifeguards. This is the Blue Flag beach as well. Official name, Pachyammos 2. I'll feature on the water, so sports rather than people sunbathing. Go on, smile. Plug your water sports. You're welcome. There's the lady. I'm feeling the heat now. I wasn't earlier on. It's quite warm. It's mid-May. Oh, one thing that sign I just walked past was saying all the water sports here are not part of the hotels they're next to. So if you have an accident with them, you deal with the water sport people, not the hotel people. And also before you use them, you want to check your insurance. Your whole insurance covers you. Right, some information signs here. The main reason they've got information signs here is because blue flag beaches have to have information signs. Otherwise they can't be blue flag beaches. So that's what they're for. They do tell you something, but to be honest, most people coming here just while you want to lie down in the sun. Now, when I walked past, there was a game going on here, but they seem to have stopped now, which is a shame. Trying to work out what the chap got who threw it when I was here. He got a -3, the poor person. He was going for 20, obviously. He ended up with a -3. Right, here's the lifeguard station. And here comes an ice cream van. The old Rambo's getting in, and the car. Hopefully he's here on an official capacity. Look a bit like the policeman in Breaking Bad. €5 for a Magnum. Is it just me, or is that a bit expensive? I wouldn't pay €5 for a Magnum. I had to see how much they cost in the kiosk, because I haven't bought a Magnum for ages anyway. Right, we've got some nice flowers up here. Now, this whole area of the boardwalk I love, because it's all entirely hotels, so you really have a feeling that you're in some paradise destination, like a tropical island paradise, that sort of thing. Fantasy Island, there you go, that was the one. You got the Athena Beach Hotel on the right. No sign for that, but I know that one. And after that it's the Royal Beach, Athena Royal Beach. If you're doing walks like this, one essential is to have a hat on. Because otherwise, especially as the days get longer and the sun gets hotter, you will burn. And if you're filming on these walks in the summertime, you're better off having a couple of cameras, because one of them is going to overheat fairly soon. We haven't quite got to that temperature yet. That's the kiss of death, isn't it? Athena Beach Hotel. There's people having a late breakfast. I think it's a late breakfast, it must be about 11 o'clock now. Pan round. Have a quick pan this way, so you can see it all again. Sorry if that was a bit sudden, but I wanted to get in a position where I was behind a tree so I didn't film someone quite close. No one close there, so we can have a little look down there. Lots of oleander. Roses are doing really well this year as well. My wife is particularly proud of her rose bushes back in Palermi, and they look magnificent, so fair play. My hibiscus though, don't want to talk about that, too painful. Green bowls, there's putting green there as well. Now I think this is the hotel that are really big on bowls. They have like big competitions here. Didn't know there's a little putting green there though. Now, trying to work out which is going to be the less controversial side to film. I think I'll go this side for the time being. That's still the Athena Royal Beach Hotel. I could go through there. How to get there? Dilemma. Now soon we'll be coming up to Pachyammos Beach. We've already seen Pachyammos 2 Beach, but Pachyammos Beach is the one to go to if you've got little kiddies and you want them to swim perfectly safely, because there's a little reef that's not far at all from the shore, so it creates a nice pool which is protected from the waves and any rogue riptide. It's not a very big beach, well that part of it isn't, but for little kids it's perfect. There used to be 2 beaches there, but they seem to have merged into one now, for naming purposes anyway. The other one is in front of the Olympic Lagoon Resort, but I'll be stopping just before then because that's where my car is parked and I'm hot enough as it is. So yes, I mentioned Facebook briefly, our Paphos Life Facebook page. That's the place to follow if you want to get notified whenever we publish anything on YouTube, Facebook, or on our main Paphos Life website. And if you want to say hello or ask a question about moving to Cyprus or a nice restaurant or whatever, then join our Paphos Chat or Cyprus Chat Facebook groups. That's what they're there for. Right, if I go this side actually, I'll be able to show you a little bit of Pachyammos Beach. Oh, some game going on over there. Looks like boules or petang. Not sure what. I think that's the Louis Imperial up there. Actually, what I'll do to end this film is go this side of Pachyammos Beach, bring you some hot pool action, but then I can pan back to show you Pachyammos Beach without being too close to anyone. Ooh, a bit too hard that one. Or is she just doing a placeholder? Right, there's an old, oh, there's a lizard there as well. An old pillbox or whatever here. It didn't have a roof, so it wasn't a pillbox. I think that's how it goes. But there's Pachyammos Beach, or the first part of it, with its little reef. And you can see how calm the waters are this side of it. So if you've got little kiddies, that's a nice place to bring them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that nice stroll along Paphos Boardwalk part of it, and I'll see you in the next film. Cheers!